So today we are making chocolate chip cookies, and I have a special guest, Santa Claus, aka aka Nyla from the YouTube channel Nyla. So let's get started. So,
where'd the chocolate chips go?
Over there.
So the first thing that we're going to need to do is combine flour, baking soda, and salt in a small bowl. And so you need 2 1/4 cups of flour. Got that in there. You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Wait. Okay. Teaspoon of baking soda.
And then
An additional teaspoon of salt.
yes.
I've had a lot of salt for like some cookies.
What's next? Oh, so then next you would like to beat butter.
Combine it. You have to combine
Yeah,
it.
combine this
With a fork.
with the fork. Beat butter.
Not yet.
Oh, wait.
Don't even get started.
Gotta
on
combine
that
this with the fork.
yet. Yep. A whisk's second cousin.
Ow.
Better with a whisk.
I think it's mixed up. It's pretty
You
good.
can totally tell. Okay, now I'm bringing in the bigger bowl.
Now you have to.
I have to move the camera over because the mixer. Does it stretch that far? Okay, that's good enough.
So next we need to beat some butter.
How much butter?
1 cup, 2 sticks, softened.
2 soft and 2 sticks of butter. This will take a while.
Yeah, and then graduate sugar,
Sorry.
which is 3 cups. Let me do that.
Wait,
Let me get this out.
this is shortening.
If you don't, there's other sticks of butter.
Yeah, this is shortening, not butter. It makes a difference. It says a cup of butter. Wait, do you have to have butter though?
Yeah.
Because it's not gonna work.
Yeah, that's the butter I put out originally, but she bought organic butter.
This is shortening. It's not
I
butter.
don't know what short. Let me see. That is butter.
It makes a difference.
That is butter.
All vegetable shortening.
Exactly. We're gonna make some healthy stuff.
Okay, we'll try. But if it tastes terrible, then
We'll just put a lot of vanilla extract in there.
no, that's not what you do. Because vanilla has alcohol in it. So.
It does?
Yes.
Oh, we just. Hi guys, I'm not doing anything. We need to
Yes,
beat it, which is
vanilla
already
beans,
soft.
Extra bits in water, alcohol. Alcohol. It has alcohol.
It
in
depends what type of alcohol. Like drinking alcohol or alcohol.
This is soft. Oh yeah, this is soft.
You need 1 cup.
This equals 1 cup.
Okay, then put that in there.
I am offending so many bakers right now. What's
Next, we need
Combine
granulated sugar, which
granulated
is 3/4.
sugar. 3/4. Why? We're so prepared, guys.
You can use this one. This has 3/4 right here.
Oh yeah, dude.
Okay.
Oh my god, I choked. What'd you do?
I brushed it. I blew into it to get some of it out, and then it just came flying.
It's fine. It's fine. It's okay.
Oh.
It's gonna be combined all together.
No, it flew into my eye.
Well, whose fault is that?
What you looking at? I'm throwing it.
Why? I just have a random chunk of sugar. No, this is taking too long. I'm doing the pouring method. There's no hole in this bag. Yep, there is. There's also a hole in this bag.
Butter. You got to use this. Here's the butter, guys.
We're going to be here forever.
Here's the flour, salt, and all the other stuff.
Nyla, we're going to be here forever.
Here's the eggs.
You're going to be here forever.
And then here's the mixer.
You are terrible at stalling.
When I'm... She finally finished after 5 years.
I'm pouring in 3/4 cup of sugar. And now brown sugar.
This goes for brown sugar in too?
Yes.
That one should be easy. There shouldn't be a hole in that one.
Nope.
3/4 cups.
I know. But I need this too. But I can't manage with my hand.
Oh, wait, wrong.
I know. It doesn't work like that. Brown sugar's thicker.
You gotta hit it.
About a third of the way there. Yeah, fourth to a third. Almost there. I only need to slide this bit. I have tried like brown sugar before. It just tastes like maple syrup. Literally all it tastes like is maple syrup.
Smells like maple syrup.
Tastes like maple syrup. You're good.
Put it in. Oh, well, wasn't that
Satisfying.
satisfying? That's what it looks like. Next, we need the vanilla extract. Extract. Wait.
Aren't
We
you
need
good?
1 teaspoon.
Aren't you good?
Better not doubt. Here.
Is this new?
I'm
Or am I just
this one
weak?
Granny gave me.
Nope, no, just weak.
And then next we mix it and we put the eggs in as we
It
mix it.
smells good, but it's enough. Have you ever tried it raw? Then it's,
Mom, is there actually alcohol in vanilla extract?
it says it.
Like drinking alcohol?
I don't know what kind. You can look it up. But yeah, there is alcohol in.
Do you want me to mix it while you put the eggs in, or do you want you to mix it while I put the eggs in?
You can mix.
Okay. All right.
You can start.
Yeah.
Start mixing.
I'm just.
Because usually you combine butter and sugar first.
That's good.
A little creamy. No, let me do the mixing then. Because you're not gonna know when to stop, and I do.
I gotta do the eggs as we
No, it says wait till it gets creamy. And you don't know when to stop mixing, I do. You know what you do if your brown sugar is really hard? You take a rolling pin and you roll it. And if it's that hard, then you kind of gotta put it on. You're getting there. Here's just one stick of brown sugar. Come on, dude. Appetizing. We're getting there. I need to put it on one. You're good. Good job, Nyla. You don't need. See, this is why I like KitchenAid. They actually stay true to its speed. I almost broke the motor in my other mixer mixing the chocolate chips into the cookies. You're good. What was the point of that?
I don't know.
It's strange. One. I'm putting up this. I know, adding the flour mixer slowly. I'll do that part. Wait, no. You know what? Just let me do it. Just let me do that. Did I add too much brown sugar? Because I don't think I added enough brown sugar. There we go. So, now I'm adding in the flour mixture. Slowly. We're gonna be here a while. This is flour. Go out before. This is exactly why you mix and roast seeds. You don't want to find that stuff. There we go. Now they're looking lighter. The brown sugar still doesn't mix in, but I mean, oh well. Nyla.
I'm just looking at it.
We're not gonna have any chocolate chips.
You better not be alright.
We're not gonna have any chocolate chips if you keep eating them. I just hope you know that.
Just to make sure they weren't poisonous. Tastes like dark chocolate.
How are you being?
What?
This is why I don't use the wax paper.
What did you do?
The wax paper slid off. That's why I use foil, because it won't slide the cookies off, Tanisha. I told you. You don't use this.
Eat them?
No, we can't eat them.
No, you can't.
I told you you can't. You gotta use the foil.
Wait.
Slip them off.
We are putting the cookie, the pre-made cookie dough. We're taking it out the oven.
I told you.
It's out of the oven. Why did you take it out? It's not even ready yet.
Because they were burning. I had to
Remove the wrap down.
No, that's because the edges are getting crisp. It doesn't mean that the.
Yes, ma'am. It doesn't mean it's burning.
Okay, but we don't use wax paper because the wax paper falls off.
No, I mean you need to slow down.
No, it was hot. It's not funny. Yogi's in the pantry.
Oh, but yeah, we were trying to do pre-made cookies versus.
The ones that are here, you know. Look at that.
You're trying to do pre-made cookies versus a lovely cookie dough over there. Nyla, oh, this is zoomed in. This is zoomed in. You are terrible at life. I just hope you know that.
See, nothing ever fell. It's the paper's fault. It wasn't supposed to be moving anyway.
It was the paper's fault.
Mom, can you take the dog out of the pantry now?
Yogi?
Why is the dog at the
I
pantry?
had to put him in there because he was going straight for the cookie dough.
I mean.
I was panicking while you were walking away, Mom.
Oh my gosh. That was hilarious.
Where is the...
How did I not hear you?
Because I was so quiet because I was there. Put this back on the paper. Yeah, that's okay.
Nothing happened. But now our quartet is down to a trio. Put those back in for literally just only a few more minutes.
Oh, it's part of me. That's the store-bought.
Those don't bake on 375.
I told you.
I'm the one who told her.
Right, so then you need to do those first because the oven is way too hot.
No, but then, no, because I'll just keep checking on them.
Okay.
I didn't think we were gonna fail this much.
Okay. Jesus. Yogi, stop licking the oil. Stop.
And nothing happened.
Out of here. Get out. Cookie. Mom, what are you laughing at? It's so funny. I don't know why you think it's funny.
That is hilarious.
Ugh. Let's get back to cookie.
So these are the finished results of our cookies. They still feel warm, not too bad at the bottom. Okay, it's ready, needs focus. But they are also fully cooked, and it is a little bit thick. But yeah, these ones I'm taking home. So yeah.